For project 4-4, you need to download the phone list document from Canvas and open it up. Should look like this, and then go to File, Save As, and save it as 4-4 committee phone list. 4-4 committee phone list. Once you have that done, we are going to just add a few phone numbers to these people's names. And we're going to add a tab stop at 6.5 inches, and it's going to have dot leader, and so dots will go across the page, kind of like a table of contents. So to do that, let's select all the names, click and drag to select them, go to the paragraph section in the Home tab, click the dialog box launcher, and this tabs button to get the tabs dialog box. So at 6.5 inches, we are going to set a right tab. It's going to have right alignment, and the leader section down here we have not used yet. So number 2 is the dots, and it's leader that's going to lead our eyes across the page, kind of like table of contents. Set that, click OK, and now if I select or put the cursor after Todd Bremer, press the tab key on the keyboard, it gives me the dot leader, leading my eyes across the page. And then I'm going to add a phone number, 555-9999. Okay, if I click on the next line and press tab, then I'm ready to type the next phone number. And here are the phone numbers. I'll just set them right here so you can see them. Pause the video, type in those phone numbers, press tab after each name, type in those phone numbers, and then we'll continue. Okay, once you get the phone numbers typed in with the dot leaders, it should look like this. And we're going to just do 2 quick things to it after that. So select the whole thing, and we're going to change the spacing after the paragraph. So click the paragraph dialog box, and spacing right here after, we're going to change it to 12 points after. Click OK, and so between each line there's 12 points. Space it out a little bit. And you know what, let's also change the text to Times New Roman. So scroll down to the T's section. You could just type T on the keyboard and it would take you to that section also. Times New Roman right there. And let's change the font size to 12. I could hit this drop down and select 12. Sometimes I like to just click this button right here. It increases it 1 size. So increase it to size 12, Times New Roman font. And then the last thing, let's sort this alphabetically. So the sort button again right here. And each paragraph by text ascending order, click OK, and it will alphabetize that list right there. And that's it for this one. Save it as 4-4 committee phone list, and we'll move on to the next.